Drying your laundry naturally is good for your laundry, the environment, and it also saves you money. Rotary Dryer Lift-O-Matic is easily adjustable to your ideal working height and has always taut lines, ideal for airing cushions and bedding in the lowest position. The dryer arms turn smoothly even when fully loaded with wet washing, so there's no need to carry a washing basket around. It has very high quality UV resistant washing lines with a non-slip profile, and the separate lines are easy to replace. All arms are fitted with special holes for clothes hangers, ideal for drying your delicate laundry. There is enough room for a complete family wash. There is also a sturdy hanging loop for easy storage. The Lift-O-Matic comes in most cases with either a metal ground spike or concrete tube, so you'll have no obstacle in your garden or on your terrace. Both are separately available as well. A water-resistant cover and other useful accessories are also available separately.
For a folding clothes drying rack that is compact yet can hold plenty of wet laundry, the Amazon Basics Foldable Drying Rack is our top pick. This stainless steel drying rack is coated with a waterproof epoxy so that clothes won't be snagged and the rack can withstand the elements. The rack has 11 rods for drying clothes, including a flat top with 4 rods. Users find this clothes drying rack to be sturdy, and many comment on the convenience of its slim size when collapsed. A rack like this is perfect for storing in a linen closet or next to a washer and dryer. Overall, for a foldable and sturdy clothes drying rack, this version from Amazon Basics is a favorite.